Hey, Earl. What should I do if the landlord didn't leave a phone number or email? Should I just pitch in Zillow chat or try to get their contact info first?
Great question, and here's the play. We don't chase ghosts, we skip trace. Skip tracing is how you get off platform and into a real conversation with the decision maker. Here's how it works. Step by step 1, grab the address from Zillow, Realtor, Facebook Marketplace, etc. 1. Plug it into a skip tracing tool to pull the owner's name, phone, email, mailing address, sometimes 1. Reach out directly by call, text, or email. Don't rely on Zillow's tiny message tab. Tools you can use: PropStream, Premium, BeenVerified, Intellius, user-friendly, TruePeopleSearch.com, free, sometimes hits. What to say? Start warm, not salesy. Hey there, I came across your listing at 123 Main St. Would you be open to a tenant who stays 6 months, pays on time, and keeps the place pristine? Let them respond, then present your offer. STR playbook tip: Zillow is the starting line, not the finish line. The winners, they go from platform message to personal contact to business relationship fast. Poll question for you: what's your go-to move when a landlord doesn't leave contact info? Choice A, just message them on Zillow, and hope choice B, skip trace that address and call choice C, let it go and move to the next lead. Or choice D, I didn't know skip tracing was a thing, message brought to you by Real Relief Consulting, 5 steps to $5,000 or more without owning property. Book a discovery call to learn more.